Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading A Family Looks Like Love by Kaitlyn Wells and Sawyer Cloud. Please enjoy. A Family Looks Like Love. All puppies are born adorable, but they're not always the same. Some are big, some are little, some are blue, and others are speckled. They might have long legs or stubby legs, or other times just three. But usually puppies in the same family look rather alike. They have matching tails or white paws like socks, or the same pointy ears that sometimes flip-flop. One family knew this is true because they had two familiar dogs of their own. One was yellow like sun, and the other was a beautiful brown. Although from their curly tails to their scuffy coats, they were the same. The dogs had 4 puppies. The first 3 puppies had scuffy yellow coats and pointy brown eyes, and they wobbled about on their short, stout legs. But when the 4th puppy popped out, she looked nothing like her siblings. This puppy looked completely different. Everyone woofed. The puppy had soft, colorful fur. Her legs were long like noodles, and her tail curved like a curly fry. The family named this puppy Sutton Button. One afternoon, Sutton and the pack went on their first outdoor adventure to the park. Along the way, they met a great big dog with inky black spots. Sutton was the only one who could reach the big dog's nose to greet him. You're very lucky to be smaller than your friends, the big dog said. Those aren't my friends, they're my siblings, Sutton replied. The big dog tattled his head in confusion. That can't be so. Your legs are much too long, he said. You look nothing alike. Sutton knew the big dog was right and did her best to crouch down and be small as her siblings trotted by. Soon it was playtime, and Sutton forgot all about the big dog words. The puppies yelped and barked and growled and gruffed. They rolled in the grass and dug in the dirt. Tired from the fun, Sutton and sat and listened to the birds chirp and the crickets sing. A honeybee noticed Sutton sitting all alone beneath a flower tree. "Why aren't you playing with your friends?" the bee buzzed. The honeybee words stung, but they gave Sutton an idea. The little pups barked high above and asked the bee for some honey. Then she rolled around in a pile of bright yellow pollen, making a sticky, sweet mess. There, now she looks like her siblings, but not for long. "Something, Bunton. What happened?" her mom barked. Shouldn't you eat honey, not play with it?" her dad howled. Before she could answer, Sutton owners scooped her up for a much-needed bath. They washed away the honey and pollen upon her beautiful mixed brown fur appeared. "I don't like the way I look," she whimpered. Sutton told them all about the big dog, and the bee had said, I don't look like I belong in our family." "It's true," her mom said, "and that's okay." Her dad muzzled Bunton's forehead. "You may look different, but that doesn't mean you're not family. My coat is scruffy like your siblings," Mom said. None of us look like bad times. We both have legs that are good for running," Dad yawned as he stretched his long legs. "And you were brave enough to greet that big dog just like your mama would have." Your oldest brother Pip up. "We all have the same curly tails, and we all love to roll in the grass and dig in the dirt," Sutton's sister yelped. "But most importantly," Mom continued, "we all have big hearts and don't get angry when the dog and bee, though we weren't family, and that could be hard to do. Not everyone will think we're family," Dad said, "but all that matters is what we know in our hearts." Something thought about her family had said as they went on the evening walk. She told everyone she passed why they were a pack. The big spotted dog heard about the matching tails. The buzzing honeybee learned about their love of digging and running about, but the bee still didn't believe they were related. Something was hurt by the bee's brush off. Something back to her parents' words. This is my family, believe it or not. She probably told the bee, and I don't need the same scruffy, bright yellow coat or short, stout legs to prove to you that I belong with them. She pranced away, leaving the dazed bee behind. The bee's words were soon forgotten as Sutton and her siblings rolled in the grass and dig in the dirt. Sutton knew one thing for sure about her family. She loved every single one of them. And they loved her too. Yeah. It doesn't matter what you look like. You're loved. No matter what. And I agree, you are loved. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading about animals. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.